guys, I'm Jasmine Walia. I'm a singer and actress, and today I am getting my brand new door installed from Palladio. Basically, I'm doing a whole renovation on my house, but the first thing that I wanted to do is get my door installed. I've got the guys from Evergreen Glazing who are going to be fitting the door for me, and I just feel that I needed a new door because obviously this one's very, very old, not my style, and I need a modern door, I need double glazing, and I need the security. So these guys are going to do this for me. So come and follow me for the day and check out how it goes. So basically we are halfway through the fitting and already it's looking absolutely amazing. As you can see, the door's gone in, I've got the new windows, and I've actually gone for a traditional door because the house is like a Tudor style. So I wanted to kind of keep in with the whole countryside vibe and the Tudor vibe. But this was really, really cool because I actually designed my door on the website for Palladio. So they have something called the door designer. So you can actually take a picture of your, location or a picture of your house. So you then upload that onto the website, and then you can actually choose which door you want, and you can see all the different designs and how the different doors will look. So I thought that was so helpful for me to choose what style door I want, because there was other style doors, but you might think they match, but actually when you put them across the house, it doesn't fit in as well. So this was the one I went for. I chose the one with the, chrome handles. I got a letterbox put in, and as you can see, it's got like the 4 windows and then the Georgian square led. So yeah, I'm really happy with it so far. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what it's going to look like at the end of the day. So everyone, you've seen the whole process of my door transformation, and it's finally done, and I absolutely love it. I'm so pleased with how this has come out. Like, it's such a transformation because you guys had seen my old door, right? And it was really weak. It looked not very appealing. It was unsafe. And now I've got a really secure door. It's triple glazed. It looks absolutely beautiful. And I'm just so happy with the color and how I've kept with the traditional look as well, because that was really important to me. This door in particular, I wanted to keep that traditional Tudor style look. So it's going to be really different to the other door that I'm having done because that's more modern, but I just really, really love this one. And the guys at Palladio, I've really enjoyed collaborating with you. So thank you so much for all your help with this journey, with the renovation of my new doors, and the guys at Evergreen Glazing. So thank you.